In a world of steel and circuits, a tiny automaton dreams of greatness. The city trembles under the rumble of thunder, warning of impending danger. As chaos looms, a lone figure steps forward with determination in his metal heart. Emergency lights cast a frantic glow as the city's heartbeat starts to falter. Ignored by his mechanical brethren, the little hero braces himself for the challenge ahead. Against the storm's fury, the tiny hero works tirelessly, a beacon of tenacity in the chaos. Just when victory seems within reach, fate deals a cruel blow to the valiant hero. In the face of adversity, a spark of ingenuity ignites in the hero's resilient soul. With unwavering resolve, the unlikely hero pushes forward, refusing to yield to despair. As the tempest subsides, the city awakens to the silent song of gratitude for its savior. Amidst cheers and applause, a humble hero stands tall, his name whispered in awe and admiration. In the heart of a metropolis saved by his bravery, a legend is born. The tale of Tinker, the smallest but mightiest of heroes.